Yo, what's going on YouTube? Sigil Brand is back again with a brand new video. And today we're actually going to be unboxing something very new. This right here is going to be Sigma 16mm 1.4 aperture lens for the E-mount. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video, show you guys this bad boy. I hope this lens is good and worth it, because if it ain't, I'm sorry, Mr. Sigma, but y'all gonna be taking it back. Just playing, man. Let's go and get straight into it, man. You already know how we do it. Let's go to grab the unboxing knife. Clink. Let's get it, man. All right, man. So we got the unboxing knife right here. Let's slice this bad boy open. Bought this right here on Amazon. You know, of course, for the standard price, $3.99, stuff like that. Came in a bundle actually, so that's what really led me to buying it. So I'll show you guys what we got in the bundle first, which it looks like they're sending us some airbags. Not the ones for your car though, some airbags. I guess you can use this. We're gonna open it up and see what can we actually use it for, because when I seen it I was quite curious. So let's see. So it comes in a little case, of course. Pro tip: the inflatable camera air inserts for your airbags backpack. Oh. So I guess this is an inflatable book bag. So I guess this right here is like the pouches. Yeah, it looks like some pouches and everything that you may use and stuff, I guess, or something. But I guess we gotta find out. I ain't doing that, bro. Already ran out of breath. Let's see what else we got in this bag though. Like I said, this airbags, I was kind of confused, like I said, once again, when I got it, but I think this is, oh, this is a book bag. This is a real life book bag. It's a waterproof book bag as well. That's very, very strange. Never seen anything like that at all before. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. And then we got the lens right here. Of course, you know, we got the Sigma lens. Like I said, 16mm, 1.4 aperture. It's a DC DN. That's that, you know, good stuff like that. You know how that go. All right. Then let's see what else we got. So, some type of case. Some type of case we picked up from, and I'm actually looking to see what I got. This is going to be. Okay, so this is a case for, it's just a pouch, pretty much. So let's go and open it up and show y'all what's up in there. It's like a little small tripod in here as well that I can use. Hopefully it'll be useful. But you know how stuff go, so let's see. All right, so in here we got us a little air thing. We got that right here. I guess it's some cleaning materials for like the lens and stuff. Got us a spray bottle. And then here goes a little small tripod little thing that, you know, we can put on the desk or do whatever we know we need to do. Also comes with a magic fiber wipe. That's cool. And a lens tissue paper for all glass purposes. Awesome. We got that. Put that stuff to the side. Okay. Then this is some more fabric stuff that we don't really need right now. Okay. Strings. Are you feeling happy? Or are you not happy? Are you feeling happy? No, I'm not happy. Okay. All right, man, that's all we got in there. Just gonna put all this to the side too. Going to utilize our book bag. All right, now the lens. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the Sigma lens. I really hope you like it. We're gonna show you guys, you know, a test run of it right quick, but we actually gonna go back in my room. Since it is a 16mm, I don't need to be super close. I mean, with super far away, I should say, like I do with the 50 millimeter, also the 35. Like right now, I got a 22 on, and it's almost 22 feet away from me, even though, I mean, this is 24. Yeah, 24 on, and I got to be this far. Like the camera is all the way over there by the door, but whatever. Let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed right now. Sigma. So right out the gate, looks like they gave us a limited warranty. Definitely gonna take advantage of that limited warranty. Always take advantage of your limited warranties. Then we also got some more documents in here that shows us, you know, the fun stuff, what you should do, what you shouldn't do with the lens, I guess so, and how to use it, in a whole bunch of languages. Let's see. More documentation. Awesome. Okay. Now the lens. Let's go ahead and see the lens, man. Dang. Whew. This lens is humongous, bro. Oh my god. For a 16 millimeter, I've been hesitating to buy this so much, like so long and everything. I'm like, I'm a type of guy that wants a autofocus lens, and this isn't autofocus, it isn't an automatic autofocus, I should say, basically. And that's what I normally use, but I realized that the more that I use those type of lenses, the worse of my content get. As of right now, I'm recording on an autofocus lens. You may see me going in and out. Then it's also got this stupid crop on here as well. So it's like you can see this in my head. Can you see me now? You can see everything, but it's so weird, man. But I really hope that this works out, because if so, then I'd be able to sit down in my room and do better. I have better stuff in there than I do here. And yeah, that's that, man. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is this. We got this little light blocker, then also got the lens right here. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the camera, go to the room and set it up and see if we can actually do it in the room. Hopefully we can, but if not, then we'll come back out here and finish up the video for sure. We'll be right back. All right, man, we back. This is the Sigma's 16 millimeter 1.4 aperture lens. I lied, I thought it wasn't autofocus, but it actually is, because it's like, yo, like this mug is straight tough. I'm actually excited, paying $400 for it. Okay, Sigma, I think we'll start buying y'all lenses, you know, much more than anybody else. Let me test the autofocus out one more time. Let's see if it actually works. Yeah, and then boom, right back to the face. I mean, it is slow, but I mean, who cares? You know, who cares, man? But I mean, 16 millimeters. This right here may just be the perfect vlogging lens for anybody. You know, go get you a tripod, or like one of them monkey tripods. I guess that's what they call them and everything. You know, just try them out, man. Just try them out. Yeah, just try them out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mount my camera right quick, and I'm gonna come back on. We want to talk some more specs about it. What can we do with it? You know, some proper settings for it, and we'll just see, man. I just want to show y'all this. I'm pumped. I gotta set it down actually, because the more I hold it, the more the focus is like, where am I going? I'm just like, I don't know, bro. All right, hold on, y'all. Man, so we back. Like I said, I want to make this portion right here just to show you guys, you know, some specs. Now, of course, I can see. Let me fix the thing, because I was just complaining about this early in the video. I'm like, you can only see the top of my head, you know. But anyway, this lens, it actually got me happy. I was expecting to do so much work with it, but you don't have to do a lot of work with it at all. I'm using my lens, of course, on the Canon's EOS M50 camera. Now, I do have a servo autofocus, so that may be it. So if your camera supports autofocus, which you can pretty much only get this lens that's built for, is for the Canon M mount and also the Sony E mount, I think so. I don't follow up on Sony because I don't have a Sony, so Sony fans don't hate me, because I do plan on buying the Sony 7 S3 within the next few months. Honestly, that camera is so beautiful, but with this lens I got right now, being this at 16 millimeters, I think that it's good for me right now. It's doing a better job than the standard Canon lenses and everything. So it's like this feature right here, just so I can pull it up and it's, you know, it's focusing and coming right back. I mean, it takes a little small second, but the Canon lenses, for me at least, it'd be up there. Like, that's how the lenses be doing me and everything. So this lens, like I said, 16 millimeter, it's from Canon, and also you can get it on the Sony mount. The retail price is $399. I got mine for a bundle It still was $3.99, but I got the lens, plus I got some more stuff that came with it, a little small tripod, the airbag, book bag, you know, stuff like that. And I got mine on Amazon. So what I would do is I'll go ahead and definitely leave that link in the bio below for sure. Definitely want you guys to check that out. Now let's go into the specs of it. What I do is I'm reading off this little piece of sheet. You know, of course I got to, because it's like there's so much in here that the box didn't put, or I just didn't read, I should say. So let's see. So with the Canon, I mean with the Sigma lens, some key features that it says, it is the EF-M mount, and the aperture ranges from 1.4 to 16, it looks like. So that's pretty chill right there. Right now I'm using mine at a 2.8, so I need to change mine to the 1.4. The 2.8 was actually locked on from the 24 millimeter lens I do have. So maybe if I change it over to the 1.6, I mean the 1.4, which I actually will right now. So I'm actually gonna pause to come back and see if it's a difference. If not, then I'll put it back on 2.8. One sec. All right, we back in. So instead of me actually change to 1.4, the 1.4 just brightened brightened everything up. So I actually just dialed it down to 3.2 instead. 3.2 for the aperture right now, but at least you know that it can go up to 16. So that's pretty chill. You know, the darker, you know, the higher it is, the more light it lets in, then the lower it is, the less light it lets in, you know. So that's that right there. And that's pretty much, yeah, that's actually it that I can see. I'm looking at some more stuff, but there's nothing that's much more important besides the aperture, honestly, and what, you know, what the lens can do. So hopefully that I'll be able to have the opportunity to go outside and do some vlogs with it. I really can't do anything right now because I have a busy school schedule right now. I got science class, everything is due on Sunday of this week. When I say everything, I mean we got quizzes, we got exams. They are two different things apparently, but we got quizzes and exams to do. We got so many homework products. I'm still trying to do LSPDFR, but hey, this lens, you are phenomenal. I love you. This is the best lens. I really think that I will be using this lens way much more for tech unboxing and, you know, do some vlogs, and maybe even one day I'll try my best to pair it up with my computer and stream with it. But as of right now, the Elgato is good enough for me, you know, for streaming. I paid $200 for it, so I might as well utilize it. If I don't utilize it, I'm a fool. So yeah, man, that's that. Like I said, the Sigma lens, 16 millimeter 1.4 aperture, can't go all the way up to 16 millimeters. I think it's a great buy. You should definitely go ahead and check this lens out. This video is not sponsored by Sigma at all. I'm just a random guy that's trying my best to make it on YouTube, trying to get some more products to make videos better, because I can make some very shitty videos. I can say that for sure. My video quality has been very shitty lately. Even the first half of this video has been shitty, okay? So I don't know what was going on with that. I could have took some more time, but you know, when you got them lenses that makes you go all the way in the back, it pisses you off. It really does. So but anyway, yeah, man, that's all we got for today's video. Definitely make sure you guys go ahead and like on this video today. Drop me some comments down below. What do you think about this quality? What do you think about the image so far? Like I said, let me go ahead and show you guys some more this stabilization. I mean, not autofocus. I'm so stupid. Stabilization. I got it on a pod, so of course it's going to be stable. Anyway, go ahead and drop some comments down what you think about this lens. Do you think that I should have bought this? Should I bought a different lens? And what else? Well, you know, what other kind of videos you want to see? If you got some tech that you want me to unbox that ain't too, you know, too high. You know, I'm still average. So if it costs $5, nah, I can't do that. I can't do that. But anything, you know, that's at Walmart. We'll do Walmart, man. If you want to see me do a video at Walmart, I actually got to sit there and let me record up in there. You know, some of these stores crazy. Anyway, man, we're going to go ahead and end the video. Subscribe to the channel, please, and thank you. And until next time, the brand is out. Peace.